Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to automatically move emails into folders so that your inbox stays clean and organized without lifting a finger. You can directly start by opening up the Gmail on your computer. This one right here, which is mail.google.com. Now, once you are here, what you need to do is basically at the top of your screen, you need to look out for the small down arrow, which should be right beside this one right here, the filter option. You need to click on it. And once you click on it, you need to go ahead and type the details to match your emails. For example, let's say Facebook or any other email. Let me just go ahead and type in someone I know. Yeah, this one right here. And what you need to do is you need to type in subject, for example, what subject that person has sent. And then you can just go over and select the size, has the words, does not have, etc. Filter it out for more clearer details. And once you do, you can just go ahead and click create filter. After you create a filter, what you need to do is you need to check the box that says skip the inbox. So you can find this option, this one right here, skip the inbox archive it, find it up, and also select the option called apply the label. And you can just go ahead and choose the level as the folder or maps or drafts. You can just go ahead and select it. If you have folder, you can select that folder option. After that, what you need to do is you need to just go over and also select this option called apply to 7 matching conversations, and any other thing, you can just go ahead and filter it out. And once you confirm it up, you just need to go ahead and create filter, confirm it up, and click on OK. And once you confirm it up, like this, it should start the email available on your screen. Now, every new email matching your role will be automatically moved into that folder and done. Now, that's how you keep your inbox organized automatically, whether you're using Gmail or Outlook. So these filters will save you tons of time. Do not forget to like and also subscribe for more productivity tutorials.